Hello everyone. I hope all of you are in good health. Today, I'm going to talk about how to transfer from a domestic worker to Article 18 Shoun in Kuwait. I'll explain the process and the steps involved. If you need to know more about this process, please watch the video until the end to get all the details. So, let's get started. Step 1. Print the transfer form from a domestic worker to the company that you want to transfer to. You can get this form from any typing shop. Step 2. Submit the transfer form to the immigration department to obtain approval. You should have with you the series of residency certificate, which can be obtained from the immigration department. After obtaining the approval on your transfer from the immigration department along with the series of residency certificate, directly visit any typing shop to assist you applying and submitting transfer request on electronic forms online to the manpower system. Then, the manpower department will review the request to approve issuing a new work permit. The required documents to issue the work permit: 1. Work contract from the company you are transferring to. 2. Salary certificate from the company. 3. Approval forms for the transfer from the Ministry of Interior. 4. Series of residencies certificate. 5. Driver's license copy if you are transferring as a driver in your new company. Note: it is not required to transfer to the same sponsor. Your domestic visa sponsor needs to go to the immigration department to obtain approval for the transfer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. See you in the next video.